This MakerHawk ESP32 LoRa V3 set stands out as a ready-to-deploy trio of development boards tailored for long-range, low-power wireless projects like Meshtastic and other Internet of Things experiments. The boards combine an ESP32 S3 dual-core processor running at a high clock rate with generous flash storage and the SX1262 LoRa radio, giving hobbyists and developers plenty of headroom for complex applications. MakerHawk includes purpose-built protective cases that neatly fit the boards, copper tube antennas, and common small lithium batteries, while still exposing the display and Type-C connector for everyday use. With integrated Wi-Fi, dual-mode Bluetooth, and LoRaWAN support alongside a compact organic light-emitting diode screen, the set is well-suited for portable nodes, field sensors, and other projects where you want quick visual feedback. The radio front end and tuned antenna offer very respectable range in the 915 MHz band, making it realistic to link devices over several kilometers in open environments when properly configured. Thoughtful touches like Arduino-style compatibility, a wide input voltage range, and a sensitive receiver make this kit particularly friendly for rapid prototyping and for learning modern long-range wireless networking.